Today we're here doing a large install, 28 housekeeping closets, 8 washing machines. When we came into this facility initially, they had a lot of questions for us regarding the way laundry's set up, how everything works, what specific things do and what they're for. And one of the things that we found was they use a very specific enzyme detergent. And enzymes are a protein base that need to run for a certain amount of time before it actually gets to work with what it's supposed to do. The downside to using an enzyme detergent is that when the chlorine-based distainer hits it, it kills the enzymes immediately, which means that detergent wasn't doing anything it was supposed to do. First things first is we're completely removing the enzyme detergent. The power wash that we use is a concentrated solution that's going to do everything they need to do without the downsides of being affected by a chlorine-based distainer. So we are hooking up chlorine distainer for them, and we're also doing Laundry Bright, which is a chlorine-free based distainer, usually used for delicates, linens, things like that. So when we go to an install like this, one of the first things we do is we do a pre-site inspection and we say, hey, what issues have you guys been running into? And what can we do to fix that with the new installation of the newer equipment? On the day of the install, we arrive, we have a game plan already in place. In this case, we say, hey, you guys can't stop doing laundry for several hours. So we're gonna take down 4 of your 8 washing machines. We're gonna fully convert those, get them up and running, and then we're going to do the other 4 so that you guys have half of your operation running at any specific moment. So my team comes in, first things first, we evaluate, has there been any changes since our last inspection? We walk into the establishment, we meet with the department heads, the people on site, and then from there we just get to work. So in this case, we took down the 4 that we were working on. We cut all the lines, removed all the old dispensers, we packaged them for return to the original company. And then we moved into installing our equipment. Last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna run all the lines, we're gonna run a full test cycle. They're gonna do a full wash of stuff they use every day. They're gonna say, hey, all of this looks great. Your titrations of everything look good. Everything smells fresh, it's clean. And if it's not, we're gonna step back. We're gonna say, hey, what changed? We're gonna fix it, run a new set, and then we're gonna move on to the next 4.